How's it going, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple 1-minute scalping strategy using smart money and the 1-minute time frame. So first and first, for this strategy to work, you want to come to this indicator section here and search for an indicator called Asian Session Range. So guys, if you don't see like that, just search for Asian Range. You see this indicator by Nico 98948. You add that to your chart. So once that is added to your chart, then you also add an indicator called ATR, average true range, for your stop loss and take profits. And I will show you guys how I use these two indicators and how I suggest you should use it too. So first and first, I'll be going through the Asian session range, how it works. I will show you guys the entry and the confirmation confluence for the trade, which is a breakout, and I will show you guys the entry for an FVG, and I will show you guys how to set your stop loss and your take profit. Alright guys, so one thing you want to do is you want to look for, let me just use a blank canvas. Alright, so you want to look for the Asian session range when it's ranging like this. Let me just assume that, let's say this is the Asian session range where price is just, consolidating. So what you want to do now is you want to look for the highs and the lows of the Asian session range. When I mean the highs and the lows, I mean the highest point price got to be within that Asian session range. Like this is the highest point price got to, and this is the lowest point price got to. So what I would like to usually do is I like to pick out a box, this rectangle tool, and draw it around this Asian session range like this. So the Asian session range is the price movement before the London Open. So once price, let's just assume okay, price is down here, then price, this golden line is our London session. Let us say this is our London session. Then price breaks below the London session here, guys. This first breakout below the London session is where I am looking to take my trade. So once I see the breakout below the London session, I would be in the charts and waiting for my entry confluence. So let me quickly show you guys what my entry confluence would look like. So let's say we saw this breakout below, then we want to see price leave this this break below, because once this candlestick breaks below, there's some traders that will be looking to sell. Many traders will be looking to sell because price just broke below the Asian session range and it's going down. So most people would think that this is going to be a selling phase in the market, but unfortunately for them, price is just going to go back up. But guys, mind you, price could still go down, but if price goes down, then the strategy is invalid. So once we see price break back inside the Asian session range, then we want to look for our entry. So our entry, let's say price comes back down and we're looking for an FVG around this area here, around this new retracement to the downside. Right, so let's just assume that we found an entry. Sorry about that. Oh shit. Let's just assume we found an FVG around here like this. Then you plot that FVG out and your entry should be just in that FVG. So let's just say we took our entry in this FVG zone here, then waiting for price to go down. There's a good chance price would go down after retesting that FVG. So let's just say we saw that FVG and we took our trade down here like this, and our stop loss slightly above this highs made here, and our take profit so a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 2. And guys, you can see this was a beautiful trade. Let me show you guys a real life example and what it looks like in a real life scenario. So this is my Asian session range. This is one example here. You can see this is the highest point price got to, and this is also the lowest point price got to within this Asian session range. So let me just zoom out a little bit so you guys can see. The price did not break above this Asian highs. So let's check below. As you can see, price broke below the Asian session range. So our entry, like I said, our entry is going to be an FVG zone. So we saw this, I saw this beautiful FVG. After this break below, price retraced and I saw this FVG zone, this fair value gap zone here, and then we're looking to take our trade down here for a sell. And as you can clearly see, price triggered us in and went to the downside. So your stop loss is going to be slightly above there, above that highs that we traced, and take profits at 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to whatever, guys. It works. So guys, that's all for this video. If you found value, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Alright, so you can join the VIP group, the Signal group. If you want to take the exact same trades I take every single day, you can join the VIP group. The link is in the description. Just DM me on Instagram for now. So if you want to join, then I'll give you the link to join the VIP group.